Meaning of George Washington.
George Washington.
George Washington.
George Washington.
George Washington. George Washington was the first president of the United States and a key figure in American history. He served as the commanding general of the colonial forces during the American Revolutionary War, leading them to victory against the British. His leadership and contributions to the formation of the United States helped shape the nation's early identity and principles. He is also known for his role in establishing the precedent of a peaceful transfer of power between different administrations. Overall, George Washington remains an important figure in American political and cultural history.